Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to upload longer videos in Facebook Story. So actually, Facebook not reaching everyone to upload longer videos in Facebook Story, but I have a trick for you guys how to do that. So I want you to have Messenger 2 on your phone, and I want you to open up your Messenger first. Then I will show you what's the next step. So the first step is to go into Messenger and then go into any conversation that you trust, or yeah, any conversation. Then let's go. For me, I will just go into this conversation. This is another account of mine. So right here, let's just go into this plus button or your gallery to upload a photo or a video that's a long one. So for example, it just go down, and I will just go with 1 second video just to show you, for example, how you can do it. So just tap on it, and after that tap on edit. Yeah, and right here, as you can see, Messenger. Sorry, this. Okay. So, first, I just want you to go into your story, and then I will explain. So you tap on your story, and then tap on OK, and it will be posted on your story. So, why we do that? Because in Messenger, you can send a video of 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It doesn't matter. So once you send the video on a conversation, you can unsend it, but you can pass it on directly from Messenger to your Facebook story. So you can get a longer video on your stories, and that's all will be good, and that's the trick of the day. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.